I'm Rashesh Mody, and I'm head of monitoring and control business unit. In AVEVA, we have 4 business units. I run one of the business unit. That includes the products for visualization, HMI, supervisory control, and enterprise pipeline management. And I've been with the company for more than 25 years. So it's great to be part of this journey. It's been very exciting. So if you look at the key challenges customer has, one is they have definitely the scarcity of capital investment. So how do I invest better? Second part is market trend are all about capital deployment. How do I use efficient operations? How do I increase the asset life? And ultimately one of the big one is about workforce efficiency. How do I make more from the people I have and the more increase the life of the asset I have? Because technology changes every 3-4 years. But my plant and asset, they don't change for 20, 30 years. So it's our job to abstract all these technology changes for this asset and keep customers' investment intact and giving them maximum productivity. So that's a key challenge part of it. So from monitoring and control perspective, it is very important for us to give the enterprise visibility, right? What does visibility bring? Not only I can see data end to end, whether you are doing mining from pit to port, or if you're doing a pipeline from pipe to all the way dispensation, or food if you're doing it, it's farm to plates, right, all the way thing. Or if you're doing airport projects, gates to garage. How do you create efficiency and visibility end to end? You provide that. So that's one part of it. Second part, enterprise visibility bring is collaboration. So if I bring information from, let's say, operational perspective, then there's a maintenance issue comes in, it'll be very nice to show same information to maintenance guy. See, this is the issue, go fix it. And once he's fixed, we can see how the operation is going on. So that collaboration makes a huge difference. And third part of it, within infrastructure industries, there's one more set of users involved, is end users. Like if an airport, it's the passengers. If it's trains, it's the people who are maintaining and managing all those transportation logistics. So there are so many new key stakeholders. We're talking about engineers, operators, accountants, financial people. This enterprise visibility gives them much better way to making decisions. So I'll give you different industries. Let's say smart cities. Smart cities is all about journey towards urban efficiency. Can I improve environmental the parameters, pollution, congestion, water, all these different things in the cities involved. How do you make it better? So from our perspective, now we have come out with a solution called Unified Operations Center for cities. This solution allows them to integrate all different systems and provide them a very new way of operating smart cities. So that's a classic example of that. Similarly, imagine the same, you lift that operation center, Unified Operations Center, put it for mining, or put it for water, or put it for airports. So we are now scaling that Unified Operations Center component to all different industries. And now we have given example in mining now. We have a very successful implementation of mining. We are right now progressing with a big water district in Atlanta, putting Unified Operations Center. So it is very, very, I think, successful way of implementing at the customer sites. We always look forward to how does it help our customers, right? Because monitor and control portfolio, we ship approximately more than 100,000 units every year. So it's a very large volume business. We connect to all the various industries, from discrete to semiconductor to electronics to food and beverage to life science to oil and gas, upstream, midstream, downstream, all the way to infrastructure. We connect to most of the industries. So our portfolio is designed for providing better visualization, better way to connect devices, better way to make some decisions, and it should be like information available anywhere, anytime, to any person at any device you have it. So we really want to make that part of it. So in that portfolio, if I give you just a little bit roadmap area, I mentioned about Unified Operation Center as a full solution. We are coming out with our key marquee products are system platform, InTouch, HMI. So both of these products, we are coming out with the major new features so that we can do millions of I/O point in a system, because we are tackling some large applications lately. So we wanted to make sure our system can scale. So we have a solution from edge to enterprise. I can do a small machine control, supervisory control, all the way to enterprise control like ad hoc type of facilities. So we have the full scalability part of it. Second part is customers asking for is mobility, mobile first. They want information on the right device. So now we are coming out with the whole mobile first into our HMIs. So my HMI not only runs on desktop and plant floor, it runs on the mobile software also. The major distinction we have is differentiation is about our technology will not only read that data, we can write as well. So you guys go around, the operator can run around the plant with iPad, take a picture, look at it, see the real-time graphics and say, change the speed of this pump because the temperature is high, or change the set point. They should be able to do that while he's walking around. So we have done very well in that area in upcoming release. Some of the new areas we are looking into is his IoT. IoT is such a prevalent, and you can see everybody's talking about IoT in cities, IoT in vehicles and mobility. IoT is everywhere. And Craig talked about IoT as a new, one of the top 3 parameters. So we are connecting now edge control, edge visualization, edge analytics with our system platform enterprise connectivity, and with inside full cloud-based analytics. So we are combining all these 3 products' power into focus for IoT area. This is definitely very, very game-changing things from AVEVA side. So we'll be releasing this year 6 or 7 new areas of product innovation. Our R&D team is working really hard to provide us the edge to in terms of technical edge of our innovation. So example, we are coming out with a brand new release of InTouch 2020, which will provide next generation of graphics. It will provide unlimited the high scalability. It will provide web visualization and many new features. Similarly, we are coming out with a system platform for higher scalability. So that's 2 big ones. Third one is whole IoT area. So we are introducing the Edge HMI, Edge Control, Edge Analytics, Edge connected to system platform, completely Azure-based Edge management, and inside analytics for all the data analysis. So that's a whole new area coming up. We are coming out with Unified Operation Center. We released the Smart City one. We got 2 more, 3 coming up. We are coming out for upstream, midstream, water, airports. So there's a whole solution roadmap coming up. So we're pretty excited about this thing all coming in the roadmap in the next few months now. We have a very large install base. We have more than 2.3 million licenses installed. Our software is running more than 100,000 sites, right? So it's a very, very horizontally diverse in many applications. Recent application, we did a very important project in India called NRDA Naya Raipur Smart City, which was designed to integrate all the system in cities centrally. So you're talking about the water, sewage, transportation, buses, emergency service, power, building management, street light, parking, all the different systems connected in one solution. Very, very successful deployment we have done. Similarly, we have done another project in mining area where they have deployed Unified Operations Center in mining. Very successful area. We have done some water project recently. So there are a number of examples you can see in food and beverage, in oil and gas, upstream. So quite a few examples you can see in our website. A lot of success stories there as well.